Look at this. Oh my goodness. No! I almost got him. There's two of them mating. No freaking way. They're huge. Ah, if I didn't have my nice ass Air Maxes on, I would be catching them. Two alligator snapping turtles. Get the fuck out of here. Oh my God. If you turn around, you're done. Oh, come back here. No, don't do a U-turn. What are you doing? Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna catch you. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's huge. Oh, you're so cool. Look, he's gonna come here. I'm gonna snag his tail. And it's gonna be like that. Okay, so this is how we're gonna catch the turtle, because he doesn't know how to get away. Oh my God, he's huge! Yes, or she's huge. Oh, no, this one was on top. No, no, God damn it, no, no, I'm catching you. This is not gonna get away. No, I've never caught an alligator snapping turtle. I'm getting this. Okay, turn around, buddy. No! God damn it, come back. No! Come back. Oh my God, come back. I need to catch you. Holy shit. Oh my God.